Jasmy in a real sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the entirely most recent 24 hours, which fundamentally is very huge. The EMA 50, in every practical sense, basically is presently at $0.007, or so they basically truly thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin by and large is drifting at $87,003,429, exhibiting how Jasmy for the most part in every practical sense acquired roughly 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in a kind of essentially huge manner. Jasmy fundamentally for the most part has its truly next obstruction at $0.006, or so they explicitly thought. 03 December 2023, in this video we will fundamentally generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of essentially 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, commonly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what especially is transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin, generally in every practical sense, is Jasmy a genuinely wise venture? Or so they basically thought, which in every practical sense is very huge. Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to plunging pretty kind of profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, for the most part let us basically by and large discussion about the actually genuinely current economic situations, showing how Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking, which is very huge. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,484,537,238,437, which is very huge in an unpretentious way. The sort of genuinely complete exchanging volume truly remains at $45,105,667,806 in a genuinely huge manner. Bitcoin shares 52.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89%, which most certainly is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 2.78%, coming to $2,159.18 during the past 24 hours in an in every practical sense, significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time span, or so they in every way that really matters, especially thought. XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 2.68 and at present exchanging at 63 cents in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $63.36 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.95% in esteem, showing how which explicitly most certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $39,492.98 level after a vertical development of 1.89% in a very large manner in an essentially enormous manner. These occasions in a real sense for the most part demonstrate that the market really is going in a sort of descending heading for sort of present moment, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, and in every practical sense, general commonly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, fundamentally further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.20, following a value change of 0.29% inside a similar time span, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction especially are significant specialized pointers used to sort of in every practical sense distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, exhibiting how XRP, the all things considered local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 2.68 and right now exchanging at 63 cents, or so they certainly truly thought. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers especially become commonly more sort of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which fundamentally shows that the EMA 50 essentially is as of now at $0.007 in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which vendors actually by and large become move essentially fundamentally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought. Following in a real sense sort of are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin, Jasmy coin execution. The very current Jasmy coin cost in a real sense is $0.007, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the sort of beyond 24 hours. Which certainly shows that Jasmy for the most part acquired roughly 4.08% inside the decently fundamentally most recent 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. At present, Jasmy is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, which generally is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin value examination. Jasmy cost investigation for 03 December 2023, inside a kind of for the most part everyday time period, sort of made sense of beneath, certainly further appearance how market investigation over the absolute last 24 hours, there actually in a real sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital currency market to $1,484,537,238,437. Which truly is very huge. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to fundamentally break down the future development of the Jasmy coin. Showing that the EMA 50 generally is as of now at $0.007, which quite is genuinely critical. The MACD line by and large is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid. Showing how Jasmy coin backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized markers used to basically by and large distinguish reasonably certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Exhibiting how XRP, the decently especially local coin of XRP, generally is up by 2.68 and at present exchanging at 63 cents in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Jasmy coin financial backers need to especially hang tight for any directional change over the essentially day-to-day diagram, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin in every way that really matters is floating at $87,003,429, exhibiting how Jasmy for the most part acquired around 4.08% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, or so they by and large thought. Which is very critical. The by and large relative strength file, RSI, for Jasmy coin in a real sense truly is as of now floating at 19 for 14 days in every practical sense, normal line, which for the most part implies Jasmy all things considered, is in oversold zone, and a pattern pretty in every way that really matters, inversion truly is conceivable, in every practical sense. Further appearance how Jasmy sort of generally has its kind of next opposition at $0.006. While Jasmy's Williams %R pointer truly is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, actually quite signal in every way that really matters, is conceivable at this reach. For the most part further appearance how